up, YouTube family? So on today's episode, what the hell? On today's little vlog or whatever, I am going. Well, I should have been started this video. I'm starting this video actually late. Oh wow! But I am making curry chicken. I love curry chicken. I love curry chicken. And I love baked ziti. And I love gumbo. I just love food. But what I got in here is I got my chicken. I cut up some garlic cloves. I cut up a scallion. I got onions in here. I don't really like onions, but I got onions in here. I got carrots, potatoes, and I got a Scotch bonnet pepper. This shit right here, this hot shit. This right here, this shit is hot. And what makes it worse is that my mother grows it in her garden. I don't know what type of seed she be buying or whatever the case may be, but that shit is hot. But yeah, I'm making that. Got a whole mess over there that I have to clean up. But first, let me put the lid on. Like on my pot. But yeah, guys, what's new? Hope you guys had a good day today, you know? Good day. I always like whenever I'm cooking well, mostly when I'm cooking. Sorry, guys. Whenever I'm cooking, I like to clean up as I go, which you're supposed to do. Some people don't do that. Me, on the other hand, I do that because that's what I was taught. So I clean up as I go. Check my stove. Okay, it's okay. Let that whole thing boil up. But right now, what I'm gonna do is set you guys down. As soon as I find. I need to get us something. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I'm thinking, I don't want to make these. I don't want to make these, the Goya kidney beans. I don't know what other like veg to make. Find something. You know what I'm so excited about? I'm so excited that Empire is coming back. And Star tonight. Woohoo! I love those shows. I wonder what this season holds for us in stores. Should I put some of these in there? I think I should put some of those in there. No, I don't really like pimentos, so I'm not gonna put it in there. Stupid shit. But yeah, I'm going to clean up. Gonna clean up, and then I'll get back to you guys, okay? So just bear with me as I clean up and do what I gotta do, okay? Bye, guys. All right, guys, so I'm back. You know what I hate the most? I hate when you're searching for the cover for the pot, and you find a lid, and you like, oh yeah, this is the lid for it, I'm Gucci. And come to find out, that ain't the lid for your pot. You know how mad that gets me? I just finished making the rice, and I'm like, yeah, this is the lid. This is the lid for it, and it ain't the lid for the pot. So now I got the wrong lid on the rice pot. But guess what? I don't really give a shit as long as it got a lid on it. As long as my rice being cooked, I'm Gucci. Oh, I still got the damn mitten on. But as of right now, I'm here stirring my pot. You see it's bubbling. I wish you guys could smell this. This smells amazing. just stirring my pot. Waiting for the water to cook down. That's key. You always gotta make sure that your pot and whatever you're cooking is stirred, because you don't want it to stick to the pot, right? So you gotta make sure that it's stirred correctly and that it's not sticking. Also gotta taste it, but I'm not gonna taste it yet. I'm gonna taste it. You taste it and see what it needs. My carrots, they're getting kind of soft. Let's check a potato, see what it is right now. Fudge, you know what I forgot to put in here? I need a ginger. Reason why you put ginger in it, so the curry doesn't hurt your belly. So now I gotta find a piece of ginger. Ginger, ginger, ginger. And I found me some ginger. Oh yeah. Yo, come hold this for me, please. So I need some ginger in my pot. Hold this for me. I didn't say to hold it like right there. Oh, baby, I'm coming. You said you want an apple juice, right? Give me 1 minute. Follow me. Follow, like don't just do it from a distance, girl. No, it's not. What? You're showing the knife. You're not even showing me.
I'm a bad cameraman.
Yeah, most definitely. But anyway, I'm just gonna cut up this ginger.
Ginger.
My sister doesn't like ginger. I don't like ginger either.
I hate it. I hate finding it in my plate and thinking it's potato.
Come on. But I'm just gonna cut it.
Oh yeah, that's a piece of potato?
No, it's ginger. I'm gonna cut it in half. Just like that. Just 2 halves. Just like that. And come on. Oh, it's gonna get foggy. When you stir it up.
Oh. Edit my face up.
That shit hot. That shit's hot. You can see my nipple. Anyway.
I'm gonna be a chicken.
I'm gonna taste it to see how it tastes.
That was excellent.
My shit is busting. I don't need nothing else.
I need new headphones.
It's hot. It's spicy, and all I did was put the Scotch bonnet pepper, but all I did was only cut. I used 1 and I cut it in half. Well, I feel sorry for our buttholes tonight. True word to that, see? She ain't lying. So now I'm just gonna put the lid back on her. And I'm gonna turn her down. Cause, ooh. This little rat just blew. She just sneezed on me. You so rude. She's so rude, guys. Why is she so rude? Damn, Daniel. Damn. My rice over here boiling up. I'm just ready to eat. But I ain't gonna eat until probably 8 o'clock. Like, I'll probably give my sister something to eat because they're probably hungry because, you know, they had a long day at school. But I'm not going to eat until Empire come on. So I can eat and watch and see all the drama that's going on. That shit is ridiculous. It's redonkulous. It's very redonkulous. Right now I'm just cleaning the stove. It's like I'm obsessed with a clean stove. Like, I don't like having a dirty stove. And as you guys can see, I got me, oh sorry, my fingers are annoying, a clean stove. I don't like having a dirty stove. So I just clean dishes. I wash, except for the spoon I just used. But that's all washed. Oh yeah, regular day. I wish I had more lemons. I would have made some lemonade. I only got 2 lemons. I don't want to make just lemonade with 2 lemons. So I gotta get some lemons. Not now, but maybe for another meal, I'll get some lemons and make some lemonade. Shit, I missed the garbage. You think 3 years of basketball played off? Boo. Yeah. So, that's basically it. Alright. Bye, guys.